In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 100 columns in Google Sheet. By the end, you'll have a sheet with over 100 columns using a quick, reliable method that takes just a minute. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. From that menu, choose Sheets. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Then open the spreadsheet you want to expand. This works the same in any modern browser, and Google Sheets will auto-save your changes as you go. With your sheet open, select the entire worksheet so we can insert a large block of columns at once. To do that, click the small gray square at the very top left corner of the grid, where the row numbers and column letters meet. When you click it, everything should highlight. This tells Sheets you're acting on the full set of columns and rows. Next, right-click on any column header, the gray bar that shows the column letter like A or B. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click, or hold Control while clicking to bring up the context menu. In that menu, choose Insert 26 columns left. Sheets inserts the maximum block it allows in one go, and you'll see your sheet expand from the default 26 columns to 52. Your existing data shifts to the right to make room. If anything moves in a way you didn't intend, you can press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo. Now, select the entire sheet again by clicking that same top left gray square. This refreshes the selection so the next insert will include all the current columns. Right-click any column header once more to open the menu. This time, choose Insert 52 columns left. You'll see another large set of columns appear on the left, pushing your existing content to the right again. At this point, your sheet contains 104 columns in total, which comfortably clears the 100 columns threshold. You can confirm by scrolling to the right and noticing the headers move past Z into AA, AB, and far beyond. Any frozen columns or filters you set up will remain aligned with your data, and formulas will adjust their references automatically. That's it. You opened Google Sheets, selected the entire worksheet, inserted 26 columns on the left, selected all again, and inserted 52 more. This two-pass approach is the fastest way to jump from a standard sheet to well over 100 columns without repetitive clicks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat the same idea if you ever need even more space.